Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we're able to fix this VBM. So what we did was a tune-up on the group head. We went in there, changed the gaskets out. Let me show you. So we changed this piece out. Then we changed the group head, very disgusting. And then the gasket around it, which I think you could crunch, it ain't a gasket anymore. So we changed that out, cleaned it out. We did descaling to the whole machine, running it through both the steam wand, the hot water, and the group head. Then, as we change the water sensor or the water lever, so pretty much that when the water tank is full, it will click this down, which will tell the machine that there's water inside of it or enough water. So we changed that also. And while we're in there, we found a very seared wire, very destroyed, and it was sparking and doing all that. So we went in there, we cut it, we replaced the whole wire, and we rewired everything around it. So that's pretty much all we did to this VBM. Now we're going to test the shot. We're going to pull the lever up, which would start running water to the front. And there's our shot. Very good shot. Now it's getting that little bit of crema on the top. Then we're going to cut it off. And that's the shot we got out of it. And then we're going to test the hot water and the steam. So here is the steam one. We're going to open it up. You can see a lot of steam coming out, very powerful. Then the hot water. Very good hot water there. And that's everything we did to this VBM. Thank you for the repair. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you.